Welcome to Penthouse A at 2280 Frederick Douglass Boulevard, where you'll find 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an extraordinary roof deck. I'm Jennifer Corcoran with Core, and I can't wait to show you around. You're greeted by a gracious open-concept living space complemented by natural oak floors, Caesar stone countertops and backsplash, and Italian cabinetry. Indulge your home chef with the 48-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator and a 6-burner dual-fuel Wolf range. There are 3 generously sized bedrooms, and the star of the show is a king-size primary suite. Have your spa day at home in your ensuite bath. Both full baths enjoy deep soaking tubs from Neptune. The handsome custom stairs lead you to your private roof deck. Equipped with a natural gas grill and wood-burning fireplace, this is your outdoor sanctuary. Enjoy southeast exposures for entertaining, relaxing, and alfresco dining. I hope you enjoyed this preview of a truly special home. Contact the Key team at Core for your private tour.